Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sam.
And I'm Gabby.
If you haven't joined us before, please hit subscribe. But today's video is going to be very interesting. Back on Wednesday, a friend of mine, Austeja, asked me if I would like to do a little dancing video thing with her. Anyway, I didn't realise it's going to be filmed live on national TV here in Lithuania. So we're going to go and meet Austeja now in Espressine, which is my friend Arna's coffee shop. If you want to see his coffee shop, then click up here or there, one of those corners. We're going to go and grab a coffee and then we're going to shoot off to Kedainiai, which is like 2 hours away, I think, or something.
Yeah, it's kind of on the way to where we're going later, which is the seaside. So we're just going to go towards Kaunas, Klaipėda, and stop on the way to Kedainiai.
Here we go.
Come on in. Let's go to Espressine.
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Where's the van? The van is around the corner.
Have you seen the van? No. You haven't seen the van?
I've seen the first one. Hi, Van. Hi. What? It looks smaller in the video. It's so big.
And this turns around so then you can sit like on each
I know.
chair.
I've seen the video. Wait, I'm gonna.
Sorry.
Off we go to the road.
Okay.
Gerai.
Gerai.
Let's go.
Yay!
Ready to go.
Yay! I like that it's like phone and then a lens.
We are in Kedainiai.
Yay!
We're so excited. Nu mes čia kažkur porą minučių, sako mapsai. Čia kur Kunigaikščių Radvilų mauzoliejus yra. Okay. Čia eiktų savo. Kokios technikos.
Nežinau, ar matosi.
Kiek metų?
Geras.
I'm gonna go inside to get ready.
Hello.
Hello.
Feeling? Gerai. I'm stressed. Because I'm gonna talk.
Austeja has to do the talking about the history.
You got a little thingy.
Little furry nipple.
Very third nipple. Are you gonna talk at all?
No, but it's okay.
Do you know what time you go on?
No.
Very soon, very soon. After
Maybe.
the kids play a game.
Maybe.
That's exciting.
This experience,
Yeah.
it was interesting.
Yeah.
It was fun. I mean, I had 2 times when I was talking, I'm like, I don't have anything else to say.
Oh, really?
I said, it's like, so that's it. But wait,
This dance is international. Why I'm Lithuanian and this guy is English? Like, why we are here? Because it's an international dance.
It was good. It was very interesting for me because Austeja and we had some sort of rehearsal before the class, and then when we were doing the class, I wasn't really sure what was happening, and I didn't understand anything, but I just went with it.
Kids loved it though.
Kids loved it.
Kids loved it.
Yeah, it was so.
It was really good atmosphere. I think you've done an amazing job, guys. It was really, really good.
Mainly Austeja.
It was great. You can tell you're like used to talking to crowds.
I'm used to being on a stage, and I like that. I like the attention. I'm not gonna lie. But it was really cute, like what the woman said, whom I was arranging everything. She said that like in little towns of Lithuania, the kids are more expressive and they're more brave in every way. So if you ask them, come join the class, everybody runs. So that's why I think the cameraman was like, no. So everybody would have ran. And then after the performance, like a few little boys and girls, they said, thank you, it was really beautiful performance. It's like in villages that would never happen.
Yeah.
All the little kids are like afraid and next to their parents. So that's a nice experience.
Yeah, it was cool. Little mosquito. Let's go and get coffee.
Yes. Can we try it that way?
Yeah, sure.
There's a couple of cafes and bakeries.
Yeah, right.
I would be so honored.
So big news, everybody. Gabby and I have come to get married.
I'm the Ludininkas.
Yeah, and Austeja is going to be the witness. So I've got the wedding rings. They are here and here. Congratulations to us. Yay. Sure. Hope.
I haven't seen a vanlife kind of channel, which is more like, okay, we are two different cultures. Let's go around that and like let's
so
explore.
true.
Let's talk with different language than English, even though there are people who are maybe other from other nation, but they maybe live in like states or more English-speaking country. Most of them I know from States or Australia, some of them. But I like that. Oh, he's so happy behind the camera. But it's so cool that you're in Lithuania and like Sam is speaking a little bit of Lithuanian from time to time.
Bishki.
See, bishki. So yes, that's why I like the channel.
I want to get some Napoleones, some Bolivite for my grandparents.
Picture time.
Okay, so unfortunately we need to say goodbye to Austeja.
Oh, I'm leaving the country. Oh, not
We've
going back to my country.
just going back to Vilnius.
Vilnius country.
Gabby and I are going to carry on over to Palanga to go and see her grandparents.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Oh, it's a nice picture. Yeah, bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
It was a nice day. It was a very nice trip.
Good.
I'm very happy.
It's been such a long time I was on a train. It's so fun. Ikke Villos.
A lot of people.
And have a good trip to Bologna.
Atu. Take care.